Uh,
Po. Ho. My hair is crazy, and I freaking love it. This is post freshly washed hair. Don't look at my armpit. Super freak. I'm a super freak. Super. Look at my neck stag. Isn't this gorgeous? I just got this off Poshmark. This is vintage turquoise necklace. I got it for like 20 bucks Canadian. Isn't it absolutely stunning? And this clasp is actually gold-plated sterling. It's marked sterling. It's like, you can see the gold verni on it. And then this I got at the thrift store for like $4, I think, $4.99. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just, and this one too. I got that. I love anything with like birds on it. I love birds. That's my Janie pear. I'm drinking the Spritz Up this time. It's actually pretty good. It's like the fake 7-Up or Sprite. Diet Sprite.
oh
my God. You're welcome. It's just for fun. Don't take it so seriously, Karens.